Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. This is Sandy for Spellbinders. In today's tutorial, I'm sharing how you can make a beautiful Concertina mini album with Spellbinders APG Die of the Month for the month of July 2019. This beautiful, graceful Concertina die set is the mastermind of Spellbinders licensed designer Becca Feeken. This month's die set consists of a gate frame die with a scroll insert and an insert die set. For my Concertina mini album, I trimmed the following. Using gold color cardstock, 4 small inserts, and then 4 small frames. And using neutral color cardstock, 4 large inserts, and then using gold color cardstock, 4 additional large inserts. And here I'm showing you that I trimmed off the hinges on these. And with the large frame die, I die cut 4 pieces of double-sided designer paper. Once you have all of your die cut pieces, you're ready to glue. You can start by gluing down your small inserts to your small frames. Next, we take our large neutral cardstock frame pieces and glue them to the gold frames. We're going to create that gold shadow effect by gluing the cardstock slightly off-centered and then slightly below the gold frame. And while playing around with the positioning of the pages to my mini album, I then decided that it would work best if I trimmed off the hinges to the neutral color cardstock and just used the ones on the double-sided paper. Next, I'm ready to apply the entire frame to the front of each page. When gluing the frames on the pages, keep in mind that you're making a Concertina mini album and the pages are going to go in a zigzag fashion. So remember to keep an eye on the direction that your hinges are facing. And also remember to trim off the hinges to your very last page. And now I'm ready to put the pages together to my Concertina mini album, and I do this by simply adding some wet glue to the hinges and I just glue one page to the next. I decided on some foam for added dimension to the front of each page. And a couple of minutes later, I was ready to embellish the pages to my Concertina mini album using some flat back pearls. I hope that you've enjoyed this Concertina mini album tutorial using the Spellbinders APG die of the month for the month of July. Yes, this is July 2019. I had to stop there for a moment and think. And this die set was created by the very talented Miss Becca Feeken. Hi, Miss Feeken, if you're watching. And of course, you can always make cards with these dies, and I just love the whole mini album idea using these. And so yeah, thank you so very much for watching, and let me know in the comments section what you think of this mini album or any other uses that you could use these Concertina dies for. So yeah, thank you so very much for watching. I know I'm repeating myself, and thumbs up if you enjoy my videos, and share them with your friends. I will talk to you once again real soon. Happy paper crafting! Bye!